We are living an industrial revolution as significant as the first one, when the steam engine first appeared. As efficient as the second, with the introduction of mass production. And as exciting as the third, with the use of electronics in the industrial world. We've crossed the threshold of the fourth industrial revolution, the era in which everything is based on data collection and artificial intelligence. The era of Engineering 4.0 that will provide intelligence to all industrial products and processes. At GHI, we've been working on this new paradigm for years. We've transformed our robust and reliable industrial furnaces into robust and reliable intelligent furnaces. Designed and manufactured to melt, heat treat or heat. Able to analyze more than 1,000 values per second and transmit the data to our control center. Our after-sales technical department is prepared to identify anomalies, provide improvement assistance and predictive maintenance interventions. This reduces the risk of unexpected downtime and maximizes the potential of the intelligent furnaces supplied to our customers. In our 80 years of company life, we've supplied equipment to hundreds of companies in different sectors: aluminium producers, automotives, aeronautics, railways, steelworks, renewable energy. Totaling more than 8,000 references all over the world. Countries such as Germany, Norway, England, China, Iran, Russia, Venezuela, Brazil, Argentina, Mexico and the USA are a sample of GHI's international footprint. Our profound knowledge of product and process and cooperation with worldwide leading furnace manufacturers, together with our drive to develop technology, allows us to manufacture high-quality, reliable equipment. Thus, we are a world reference in segments such as hot stamping, aluminium recycling, heat treatment and fuel manufacturing plants, amongst others. All this is reflected in our culture, transmitted from one generation to the next, based on the involvement of a team of more than 120 people, our commitment to customer service, and our close relationship with suppliers. Our working method is as follows. First, we define the most appropriate technical solution and adapt the design to the needs of each customer. Second, during the execution of the project, we work hand in hand with the client in order to comply with the quality standards of the equipment. Lastly, our relationship continues throughout the useful life of the equipment through our after-sales services department. At GHI, we offer comprehensive solutions that include the supply of industrial furnaces, turnkey plants, technical assistance, digitization and consulting services. We're trained to serve any company worldwide that requires a solution to melt or treat every kind of metal, while achieving excellent results in terms of efficiency and performance.